Would you not love it if you come back home from a hot sunny day and you have a very cool mist, something that's handy and you can keep in your bag too? Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties. It hydrates and moisturizes, giving your skin a refreshed look. You will love that this recipe is so simple to make and yet delivers big on skin-loving nourishment. Hi, I'm Manisha from Cape of Good Soap, and in this video, we'll learn to make rose moisturizing mist. To make this, we would need rose water. Many of us think that the scent of rose is old-fashioned, but that's not it at all. Its essence is sweet, fresh and very spring-like. It's also mildly astringent, so it makes for a great skin toner, keeping your pores clean and clear. I prefer to make my own rose water, and it's quite simple. You would need fresh rose petals, enough water to submerge it and heat it in a pan. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until the petals have lost their color. Let it cool down and you can strain out the water. Your rose water is ready. Jojoba oil. It closely resembles our own skin's sebum, which is our skin's natural oil. It soaks in very quickly into our skin, making it hydrating yet very moisturizing. Take half cup of rose water and add about 20 drops of jojoba oil. You can reduce or increase the quantity depending on how light or rich you want it to be. Essential oil of your choice. We need to calm our skin and senses, so we will use a few drops of lemon to offset the sweet aroma of rose. But something like lavender is also great. Add about 5 to 6 drops of essential oil. Stir the mixture and transfer it to a spray bottle. Spray bottle helps in breaking drops into very fine droplets. So even if the color is looking very deep here, once sprayed it will not be so much. Keep it in the refrigerator so that it really feels like a cool mist. You can safely use this for 3 months, though I'm sure you will keep making it every few weeks. Isn't making your own skincare products great? Our nature has so much to offer, then why go for chemicals? Let me know if you want to see more videos like these in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.